So my original plan today was to set up a little ham radio demonstration for a Camporee, Scouting of America Camporee, this weekend. And but there's already several people that have set up their gear for it, so I don't need to do that. So I brought the drone and took some aerial shots for Toby, a friend of mine that's one of the leaders here with the Scouts, and decided to go ahead and set up a table. I don't know if anybody's gonna stop in, especially if I'm not out there sitting. But I got some shots of the Camporee that I'll throw in here and show you what a Camporee is all about and what a good deal it is. Quick apology on the audio. My external mic that I was wearing died on me. Didn't realize it. Rookie mistake. At Fountain Blue State Park, Louisiana, close to where I'm from. Pretty amazing. Try to get that.
Roger, same to you. Kilo India 5, Zulu Alpha Whiskey, parked on the air.
Tennessee. Kilo Echo 4 Yankee Romeo X-ray. Kilo Echo 4 Yankee Romeo X-ray.
Echo 4, Yankee, Romeo X-ray, you are 59 in Central California, US 9355 George Hatfield.
QSL, yeah, you're 5'9" here into Albuquerque, New Mexico.
State Park, that is outside of Houston, Texas. The park number is US 3056. 2 call signs, Kilo Alpha 5, Yankee India X-ray. And Kilo Charlie 2 Echo Echo calling CQ Parks on the air.
Kilo Echo 4 Yankee Romeo X-ray.
Foxtrot. Foxtrot, please ending. This is Kilo Charlie 2 Echo Echo. You're 5'5", the 5'5" in the park.
California, so I'm able to pick him up, but I'm only putting out 5 watts, so he's probably not going to hear me.
Okay. 10 watts, boys. 5 watts, code. 10 watts.
Well, wrapping it up here, just calling it a day, and had some great questions from some of the scouts there, and that was a lot of fun interacting with them. So glad I got a chance to do that. Had a lot of fun. Play radio and made some contacts with 4 different parks, so that was pretty good, and just a good day to play ham radio, and good day to play with the drone. So good day overall, and See you next time.
See you next time.